Hello, we're the students of Boston Tower, and today we made a film called Back to Reality. It's about a girl having a funny nightmare and what could happen in the future if you don't never plan it now. We hope you enjoy. Around 27,000 trees are cut down every day. If things continue like this, the Earth will be uninhabitable by the year 2050.
Attention students, there's an alien in the school. Please remain calm.
Excuse me, can I help you?
I was planning on taking over this planet, but it's not even worth taking over, it's so rubbish. No pun intended.
Hi, we're some of the 2Y students in County College, and we made Agent Waste. It's about how much food waste goes on in Ireland and how it's not just one person and it's everyone contributing to it. So thank you for watching. Hi, we're the students of McKeegan College and we made a film called Tuesday and it's about food waste and we hope you enjoy it.
Ew, what is that? I don't know what it is, but it smells disgusting. Where's it coming from?
Oh, it's my lunch.
Ew, is that your lunch?
Yeah.
Oh, I should go throw it out. Disgusting.
Yeah, you're right.
Do you know how much food you waste today?
I never thought about that. I have a lot to learn.
Hi, we're a student from County Cork Community School. We made a movie about deforestation called The Elevator. We hope you enjoy it.
You alright? Ready for environmental class?
Yeah, I'm sorry, sir.
You're alright.
I'm ready.
That's okay, let's go.
Hi, we're the students of St. Mary's and we made a movie on the impacts of littering. We called it The Litter Bug. I hope you enjoy it.
We're the students of Del South College Macroom and we made the film called It Only Counts. It's about someone frustrated with the new deposit return scheme. We hope you enjoy.
Hi folks, I just want to tell you about the new deposit return scheme. Would you like free money? Then listen to me.
Wait there, boy. Could you give us a chicken roll?
I'll be 4-year-old, please.
I suppose I'll be back to you there in about 20 minutes.
First, gather cans. But make sure you don't crush them.
Mark! You shouldn't have crossed your cans, buddy.
Ah, okay, that makes sense.
Hi, we're the students of Kinsale Community School and we made the short film Smog Sprint 2023, which is about how we're running out of time to deal with the big issues of climate change. Hope you enjoy.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Smog Sprint 2023. For our first competitor today, we have deforestation. Right up beside them with our second contestant, fast fashion, which is starting to warm up and get ready with stretches. And onto our most competitive athlete, food waste. Followed up by our final contestant, fossil fuels. And we're about ready to go. And they're off. Shockingly, deforestation has taken an early lead. How are the others going to match this speed? Oh my, food waste has taken a nasty spill. Oh, we can't clearly see who the winner is. Let's take a closer look. Now, it appears there was only one racer the whole time, and the winner appears to be pollution? Is that right?
Hi, we're the students from St. Mary's Secondary School. We made the film What's the Real Cost. It's about fast fashion, the effects and the environment, and we hope you enjoy.
I saw this really nice jacket. I was going to buy it, but I thought it would look nicer on you.
Let me see. Yeah, it's nice, Trevor. I've loads of jackets, Trevor.
Go away, all that.
It's so cheap and it's only a tenner. Look, I got these pair of shoes. Alright, so. What do you think of the jacket? Yeah, good, it's nice, but it's the same as the photo. Sugar, look at the state of my shoes. They're shocking.
Yeah, they're rotten to be fair.
Anyway, it was only a tenner anyway.
Yeah, sure.
Fast fashion clothes are often made with toxic dyes and use an excessive amount of water. These toxic chemicals often end up being released out to the areas surrounding the factories and damaging the local environment.
Hi, we're the students of Middleton CBS and we made the film called The Green Age. The Green Age is a movie about a future where nature is destroyed and all that's left is a destroyed landscape, so people must enter the virtual one. We hope you enjoy.
Hi guys, welcome to today's lesson. Today is day 307 of the climate lockdown. Is everyone here? Here. Well, I'll pass on the roll for now as I can see most of our classes absent today. Anyways, let's begin our...
Just a reminder, this class has been supported by Green Age Technology. Green Age Technology has been tasked with cleaning up a destroyed world. All classes are recorded and supervised for safety purposes.
Bloody hell. Oh, we're back. Right. Let's continue with the lesson. Whoa. This is what nature used to look like. You see, when trees were alive, they breathed in carbon dioxide and breathed out oxygen.
Is it true that Green Age technology used to be called Alpha Mega Technology, and they were the ones who wrecked the world?
I'm afraid we can't talk about that.
What happened?
Apologies, this class has been suspended. All students should report to Green Age Security Station for evaluation.
Hi, I'm Jacob and we're the class of Skull Community College that took part in the Rubbish Film Festival. Our film is called Fish Out of the Water and is about pollution in the ocean and thanks for watching.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Michael Backrell.
Hello. Why are fish so easy to weigh? They have their own scales. What do fish do on the weekend? They die of water pollution. 10,000 fish each year die from plastic entanglements. Just squidding, it's actually 100,000 each year. That's just like you. All you ever do is throw plastic. He's just a fish, who cares? You disgust me.
I'll take care of this.
So what's the deal with CO2?